Welcome to our channel, where we explore the depths of mindfulness and inner serenity. Today, we embark on a journey to understand meditation and why it's an essential practice for a harmonious life. What is meditation? Meditation is a simple yet profound practice that allows you to connect with your inner self. It's about finding stillness in the midst of life's chaos. Imagine it as a serene oasis amidst the hustle and bustle. Benefits of meditation. The benefits of meditation are numerous. Stress reduction, improved concentration, emotional well-being, enhanced self-awareness, better sleep. It's a powerful tool to navigate the challenges of modern life. Why is meditation important? In a world filled with distractions and stress, meditation is your sanctuary. It's a journey inward, a pause to reconnect with the essence of who you are. The importance of meditation lies in its ability to help you live in the present moment, where true happiness resides. Meditation is important because it cultivates mindfulness, which is crucial for your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It's your path to inner peace. How to get started? Ready to embark on your meditation journey? Here's how to start. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, releasing tension. Focus on your breath, in and out. When thoughts come, acknowledge them and gently return to your breath. As we conclude this journey, remember, meditation is a gift you give to yourself. It's not about perfection, it's about embracing the process. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on mindfulness and well-being. Until next time, may you find peace within. Thanks for watching.